What's going on, guys? Vinnie here, back with another video. In this analysis, we're going to talk about a couple different pairs that I see we need to look out for this upcoming week. And before we get started, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at our Forex Factory calendar for the week. We're going to be trading from July 23rd all the way down until July 28th. This is the last week of the month before we get into August. So it's going to be a busy week. All right. So when I come to this chart or this calendar, the things that I'm looking for, guys, is going to be the high impact folders. Okay. So these are the red folders that you see here. And coming into Monday tonight, today is Sunday. So coming into Monday, we have some Euro news during the London session. So look out for that. And also some GBP news. And at 9:45, we have some USD news. So coming in out Monday, we come out Monday swinging with a lot of volatility in the market. Okay, so be prepared for this week. It's going to be a busy week when it comes to trading. Tuesday, we have some consumer confidence news, and we have some Australian dollar CPI news later on that evening. Okay, Wednesday, again, we have FOMC at 2 p.m. Okay, on Wednesday. And then going into Thursday, again, we have some Euro news at 8:15, unemployment claims and GDP news at 8:30 on Thursday. Then some more news coming out later on, some Euro news, okay? And then we have some JPY news tended being talked about later on that evening. Going into Friday, again, we have some Euro and JPY news. We have some CAD news and USD news on Friday. Okay, so this is going to be a busy week. So right now, I've been looking at the charts, guys, and I don't see a whole lot of setups. Okay, in the beginning of the week, these setups will develop. So we're going to start to take a look at the daily time frame. Let's go ahead and turn off the indicator here. Daily time frame on gold. Okay, so that's what we're going to start off with today. Gold, as we can see, again, is bullish. All right, price is making higher highs and higher lows. Right now, current price action is bearish, though. Okay, overall trend is bullish. Current price action is bearish. Why is current price action bearish? Well, because we have a high here, we had a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we're looking for price to create a lower low on gold. All right, so if I turn on the indicator, we can see that price was outside of the band here just a tiny bit. We don't have a cheat code sell signal yet. But again, we do have some bearish candles. Okay, so we'll see what happens on gold. Also, if we go to a higher time frame, the weekly time frame is just simply doing a break and retest. So we can see we had a bunch of cheat code sell signals at this higher time frame supply area here. That goes all the way back until 2020. Okay. Every time price comes into this area, it rejects. First time it happened in 2020. Second time it happened in 2022. And now we're in 2023. Price is back up at this area. So we're looking for price to, it broke the Hall moving average, come back up, retest it, and then continue down further from there. Okay. But we can only see and react to what price is giving us. But my bias is that we should be selling gold this week. Okay, let's go back to the daily time frame. Next pair I want to take a look at is the US dollar. Okay. US dollar, as you can see, the overall trend is bearish. Overall trend is bearish. Current price action, though, is bullish. Okay. We can see that we have a support that has maybe turned resistance yet. We don't know. Price could break this level and keep going up. That's what I do expect to happen. Price was at this area before, shot up, came back down, shot up again. It finally broke through. Now price is coming back up to retest. Let's see if it's going to turn around from here or continue up. I truly believe that the dollar is going to continue to go up. All right. Price is not touching the other side of the band yet. We are bearish. Okay, we are bearish, but we shall see. Now, price could either easily do this. We have two scenarios. So price can continue to go up, okay, and then we can get a pullback to continue higher. Okay, that's one scenario. Another scenario could be we could get a rejection from here, price create a W formation, and then continue higher on the dollar. Okay. Reason why I say that is because if we take a look again at the weekly time frame, okay, we take a look at the weekly time frame, we have a cheat code buy signal on the weekly time frame. So it gives me an indication that price wants to continue up from this level here on the weekly time frame. Okay. So that's my expectation or my bias for this week so far for the dollar. So that means pairs like USD CHF, USD CAD, we're going to be looking to buy. Okay. Pairs such as AUD USD, um, Euro USD, we're going to be looking to sell. Okay. Again, this is from last week. I still expect some more down movement with Euro USD. If we go to the weekly time frame, again, the cheat code system is telling us to sell. Okay. We have a cheat code sell signal. We already have a bullish candle starting to form. So I'm looking for some more down movement. Even though current price action is bullish right now, I do expect a deeper pullback on Euro USD. Okay, let's go back to the daily. Next pair I want to take a look at is going to be NZDUSD. Okay. We had a nice drop last week, guys. Beautiful, beautiful drop. I still expect some more down movement with NZDUSD. Okay. I do expect some more down movement. Why do I expect that? Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Okay. And let me erase this. All right. Weekly time frame. Right. We can see that again, the overall trend is bearish. All right. Current price action again is bearish. Why? This high here has not been broken. Okay. The price is continually creating lower highs. Okay. So until we get a break above here, then we'll be back bullish. But for the time being, we are bearish. Okay. We are still bearish on NZD USD. So I do expect some more down movement with this pair. Same with gold. Let's take a look at USD CHF real quick. Again, if we look at the weekly time frame, turn on the indicator, we have a cheat code buy signal. I do expect some more up movement to hit this area here, and then we'll see how price reacts if it wants to continue up or if we have some more down movement on USD CHF. That was a great trade that we had last week. Let's go back to the daily. And I do expect some more up movement with that pair. Again, we have a cheat code buy signal and divergence happening on USD CHF. So we can expect a slight pullback before we go higher. So all these pairs that I'm telling you about guys, if you want to get in on these pairs, for those of you who have the cheat code system, you simply go down to the 1 hour time frame, set your alert in the direction of the higher time frame. So again, if we wanted to get in on this on Monday, I will set an alert for USD CHF on the 1 hour time frame for a buy. Okay. The market just opened up, so I'm not looking to hop in any positions at this current moment. But Monday, I will be looking to find an opportunity to buy or sell in the market. Let's take a look at USD CAD. USD CAD, again, we have a retest buy here. I do expect some more up movement on USD CAD, as I explained earlier about the US dollar. NAS 100, I expect some more down movement with NAS. Again, if we go to the weekly time frame, we're going to see we have a bunch of divergent sell signals and a cheat code sell signal. Price is extremely outside of the band, so I do expect some more down movement on NAS 100. This is going to be an excellent swing trade. Okay, this is going to be an excellent swing trade to get in on NAS 100. okay, for an opportunity to sell. So we'll see what happens with the news this week. Make sure you look for opportunities to trade in the direction of the higher time frame. Let me say that one more time. Make sure you look for opportunities to trade in the direction of the higher time frame. Okay. So those are the pairs that I've been looking at. We have a couple high probability setups again from last week. Uh GBP CHF, we have a buy on the daily time frame. Okay. So again, I'll be looking to buy GBP CHF, NZD CHF. We're going to be looking to buy uh Euro CHF. Again, we'll be looking to buy CAD CHF. Again, we will be looking to buy. Okay. So prepare yourselves. Make sure you are planning out your trades. You know what trades you want to take. Set your alerts. Be prepared for this upcoming week. Will be a lot of movement in the market. And an awesome tip you can use is to just wait for the news to come out to take a position. Don't try to catch these news events, because if you're not prepared and if you don't know what you're doing, you will blow your account and lose unnecessary money. Our positions as traders, as smart traders, is that we want to preserve our capital in any way that we can. And by taking the time to not trade when the news before the news comes out, it's going to help us preserve our capital. That's just my opinion. You can do whatever you want to do, but as a consistently profitable trader, I look to take positions after the news comes out. Okay, that's where you're going to find the real move after the news comes out anyway. All right. And another tip is that usually price will eventually trade in the direction of the higher time frame after the news comes out. So you'll have plenty of opportunities and probabilities to find a trade to go in the direction of the higher time frame. All right. So for those of you who are new, this is the cheat code system. What is the cheat code system, guys? It's simply the most accurate indicator you're going to find on the market. It's going to give you accurate buy and sell signals. The only time we take these buy and sell signals is when price goes outside of the band. So you'll see three different buy and sell signals. Only ones that I'm concerned about are the ones that go outside of the band here. Okay. Because that's an extreme that happens in the market. So you have your upper band, which is in red. You have your lower band, which is in blue. Okay. Once the price goes outside of the upper band, you're going to get a cheat code sell signal. When price goes outside of the lower band, you'll get a cheat code buy signal. Okay. The way we trade this is with a strategy called the GSA strategy. 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest. It's just that simple, guys. Okay. 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest. That's what we look for. That's how we enter our positions in the market. Okay. Another thing is that we have our moving average here. We use a 47 moving average. Okay. Again, when price is above the 47 moving average, that means we should be looking for buy opportunities. That means price is bullish. When we are below the 47 moving average, it means that price is bearish. Okay. So we should look for opportunities to sell in the market. We have our HMA here, the Hall Moving Average, which we only use for our entries. Okay. We use that for our entries, for our break and retest. Another buy and sell signal that you see is going to be your retest, sell, and buy alerts. Okay. We usually use that for our entries on our 1-hour time frame. So whenever we want to enter into the market, we're going to look for a retest, buy, and sell. So in this example here, we can see that we had a break of the whole moving average here. Price came back up to retest. We had our retest alert. Also, the whole moving average turned from blue to red, giving us indication that we're going to be selling. And that's exactly what price did. Okay. Price came back up again to retest a second time, and then price melted away. All right. So that's what we use for our retest. Another buy and sell signal that you might see are going to be your divergence buy and sell signals. Now, we never just blindly trade these divergence buy and sell signals. These are used as early warnings to let us know that price is going to reverse. Okay. Divergence is letting you know that price is going to reverse. So instead of you having to have an oscillator down here, RSI, and you seeing it with your own eye, so sometimes we might not see it. It lets you know that you have a divergence about to happen, and it's going to play out eventually. Okay. So I love the trade divergence. It's one of the highest probability trades you can take is when you get divergence in the market. Okay. Now, for those of you who want to purchase an indicator, it is $300. All you have to simply do is go to VinniesTradingCheatCode.com. Again, that is VinniesTradingCheatCode.com. Let me actually show you the website here. So when you come to the website, you're going to fill in your name and your email. And hit continue. You'll be able to watch this video here, a little 5-minute video. Again, you can join, you can read about what the cheat code does, and here's some examples. And then we can get into our members' testimonies. Okay. We have tons and tons of testimonies from our members who have used the cheat code system to pass prop firm challenges and to become consistently profitable traders. So that is your goal. Make sure you click the link at the bottom of this video that says Vinnie Trading Cheat Code and get started today. Okay. On the inside, you'll find more information once you sign up about joining our coaching group. Okay. We have a coaching group with about 165 members, and I do weekly trainings, and we go over different strategies for the week. All right. Other than that, guys, that's going to end our live analysis for this week. Again, make sure you pick out one or two of these pairs and look for opportunities in the market to trade. I will be updating you guys this week within our Telegram group and the free Telegram group on different trades you'll be able to take for this week. Okay. So again, relax, sit back, playing your trades out. Remember, patience and discipline will help you become a consistently profitable trader. Thank you.